Why aren't you earning the way you want yet? It feels like you've already tried everything. Worked overtime, tried freelancing, watched videos about passive income, but something still isn't clicking. The money either doesn't come, or it disappears quickly, or there's just never enough for what you truly want. Here's something important. What I'm about to say might change your life. Money isn't about how hard you work. It's about how you think. You could have access to the best courses, great connections, even startup capital. But if your mindset is wired for scarcity, nothing will work. It's like playing a game on extreme difficulty mode while others are on normal. But here's the good news. You can change your mindset in 30 days, and today, you'll find out how. Let's be honest. How do you feel when you hear the word money? Anxiety? Fear? A mix of hope and frustration? That's not random. Your mindset around money is made up of beliefs you've carried since childhood. And most of them are outdated, like Windows 95. Here's an example. One person sees $1,000 and thinks, I can invest this and make more. Another person sees $1,000 and thinks, I don't deserve this. It's not about the amount, it's about your internal programming. Here are 3 common money mindset traps. 1. Fear of loss. You don't start anything because you're afraid of losing. But here's the truth. You're already losing time, opportunities, potential income. 2. I'm not meant for this mindset. As if someone is handing out talents and skipped you. 3. Belief that money is complicated. In reality, living without money for a lifetime is what's truly hard. It's exhausting, mentally, physically, emotionally. Now here's the real, wow, most people think they need more knowledge to earn more. But what they actually need first is a mindset reset. Because your subconscious always wins over your conscious desires. Let's dive into the 30-day transformation plan. Week 1. Identify your limiting money beliefs. Goal. Become aware of the beliefs about money that are holding you back, even if you're not fully aware of them. Steps. 1. Write a list of all the beliefs about money you've heard growing up, like, money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people have it easy. Money is the root of all evil. Wealth only brings problems. Be honest. 2. Explore your fears about money. Ask yourself, why am I afraid to earn more? Is this connected to how I perceive money? How did my family talk about money? Could that have shaped me? 3. Analyze how these beliefs limit you. For example, if you believe money is evil, you might sabotage your own income to avoid being bad. If you think the rich are thieves, you'll resist business or investing ideas. 4. Write it all down. Prepare for a shift. Result. You begin to see clearly how much your money mindset is influenced by limiting beliefs. Now you're ready to change. Week 2. Reprogram your beliefs, new thoughts, new results. Goal. Replace old, limiting beliefs with empowering ones that support your financial goals. Steps. 1. Create new beliefs aligned with your goals. Examples. Money is a tool for growth. I deserve abundance and well-being. Wealth allows me to do more good. I am open to new financial opportunities. 2. Use affirmations daily. Every morning, repeat these phrases out loud or in your head, at least 10 times. Keep reminding yourself that you deserve success. 3. Write your affirmations on sticky notes and place them where you'll see them, on your computer, on the fridge, on the mirror. 4. Read these affirmations throughout the day, especially when you feel doubt or anxiety. Refocus on positive thoughts. Result. You begin to rewrite your internal dialogue. Money becomes less scary, and more like a tool for personal growth. Week 3. Take action, even without money. Goal. This week is about taking action, even if you have no money. Prove to yourself that your success depends on your choices, not your current resources. Steps. 1. Sell something you don't need, old gadgets, clothes, books. Put the money aside for self-investment, like a course or book. 2. Launch a small project or idea. Create a page offering consultations or lessons. Sell something on a marketplace. Write and publish a mini e-book or guide. 3. Learn for free. Watch YouTube courses, listen to podcasts, read blogs. The more you learn, the more doors open. 4. Set your first monthly financial goal. Earn an extra $100. Read 2 books about money. Make your first small investment. 5. Don't chase money, chase skills. Focus more on personal development than on quick wins. Result. You start applying your new mindset in real life. Even with no money, you realize that progress is always within reach. Week 4. Strengthen your mindset plus get ready to invest or shift careers. Goal. Solidify your new mindset and prepare for the next big step, investing, switching careers, or starting your own business. Steps. 1. Start planning bigger goals. Get specific. What skills do I need to earn more? How can I invest in myself? What kind of business or career do I want? 2. Make your first investment decision. Buy an online course. Invest a small amount in stocks or crypto. 3. Expand your circle. Meet people who've already achieved financial freedom. Ask questions. Learn from their mistakes. Result. You're not just learning, you're implementing. You're no longer afraid of change. You're ready to act. This 30-day plan will help you rewire your financial mindset and give you the confidence to move toward real, lasting income. So subscribe and like so you don't miss the next videos to make yourself better.